The POCO F8 Ultra appears to be positioned as a flagship-class smartphone that punches well above its usual sub-brand expectations. It's expected to run on a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, which should deliver flagship-tier performance and smooth multitasking, and come with ample RAM and storage configurations, likely up to 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage. The phone is rumored to sport a large 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, up to 120Hz, and excellent brightness, ideal for gaming, media, and everyday use. On the battery side, leaks suggest a large 7,000 mAh or more cell with 100W fast charging and even wireless charging support, promising long endurance and quick top-ups. For photography, the phone is expected to use a triple camera setup with all 50MP sensors, main plus, ultra-wide plus periscope telephoto with optical zoom, potentially delivering versatile and high-quality photos and videos. Add to that enhanced speakers, tuned by a reputed audio partner, and an IP-rated build for dust/water resistance, and POCO seems to have crafted a flagship beater with great value for its segment.